Melanie trailer, and I just wanted to pop on here really quick and tell you about the new batch of shirts. So this is the new shirt style in honor of Fernweh quilt pattern, which releases mid-April. I also went ahead and added a sassy granny shirt because I had several requests for that particular quilt block on a shirt. So I've added that to the shop too. A whole bunch of new colors, bright, happy, cheerful colors. And I did want to tell you that I changed the style of shirts that I'm going to be offering. So before I was offering a women's shirt, which I really, really liked, but I had like 3 people not like it. So I thought, well, maybe I'll just go to a basic unisex shirt. So the shirt is actually a little bit longer than that original shirt, and the sleeves are a little bit longer. It has a little bit of a looser fit, still super soft, still thin like I like them, but other than that, they're pretty close to the same thing. They're all made by Bella. Just a reminder that these t-shirts are fulfilled by Printful. I'm only designing the design, and they fulfill all the t-shirt orders for me. So because they are made to order by a third party, there's no refunds or exchanges if you don't like it. So do check that sizing chart before you actually buy one of the t-shirts, because I can't offer any refunds or exchanges. So I think that's it. Fernweh quilt pattern releases mid-April. We're working on bundles. We're working on getting everything ready for the release. I will see you closer to then.